Dan Hoyer, and this is my bike check. It's amateur, I'm not sure what kind of make. You've got anti-cranks, yeah, anti-bike. You've got clear see-through gusset pedals. You've got FitFaff tyres, wrong way round I think. You've got Amity pegs that came with the bike. Got Amity pivotal seat. ODI grits, bearings. Just a sticker. You've got Amity stem with a FSA headset. You've got front Amity hub and rear hub on the back. You've got Amity sprocket with Amity chain, which is a bit fucked. Wanna see my real top tube baby? Amity bars. Yeah, you got the Amity rims. I think this is a really nice bike, to be honest. Yeah. Well, that's really it, but yeah. Oh yeah, I've also got the Amity frame, which is really nice chrome with the chrome forks with a huge dent in the other side. Yeah, that's really it. That is my bike check.